Guys, this is pretty dope. $50 printer, used Facebook Marketplace, was missing an SD card. Tricky situation with the MP Mini V2 ED3, whatever Creality wants it to be, or sorry, Cura wants it to be, but you cannot use HC. You cannot use high capacity SD cards. You have to use old school, non high capacity, like a 1 gig, no high capacity. It already comes in FAT32 and immediately knew what to do. Crazy. This printer had been sitting for 2 years, unused, $50, 6 rolls of, half rolls of filament, they're 0.5, and it's printing in yellow. That's fucking crazy. Pardon my language. Oh my god, I'm so excited.